The Vitalitim wireless keyboard and mouse combo. Enjoy the ultra-slim design paired with powerful performance. Inside the box you get the keyboard, the mouse, a charging cable for the keyboard, one on-the-go converter, a AAA battery for the mouse, and the USB receiver, which can be stored inside of the mouse when not in use. Also included is the user manual. The keyboard is beautifully designed and comes in at only a 1/4 inch thick. Despite this thin profile, the keyboard still houses 102 full-size keys, including a 10-key number pad and 12 hotkeys. The keyboard looks great on any desk flat. However, on the back of the unit are 2 kickstands, allowing you to raise the keyboard for a more comfortable, ergonomic typing angle. The keyboard's scissor key mechanism feels great to the touch, ensuring fast response and sensitive feedback. And the keys are well spaced out, despite the keyboard's small profile. The keyboard has an 800 mAh battery, allowing for up to 4,500 hours of continuous usage time, which equates to roughly 18 months of average daily use on one single charge. The keyboard also has an automatic sleep mode, which means if you forget to turn it off, after 10 minutes the unit will power itself down to conserve battery life. The mouse feels great in the hand as well, with good grip and gliding capabilities. It has an adjustable DPI button, allowing you to adjust the mouse sensitivity on the go, making it perfect for gaming, office programs, graphic design, and any other use case. The scroll wheel is smooth, the clicking mechanism feels as it should, and the tracking is super responsive. The Vitalitim keyboard and mouse combo is the perfect complement to any desk setup.
Our partnership with Cherry dates back to 2011. This is when we first entered the gaming peripherals market. It was our conscious decision from the beginning to use only Cherry switches. They're German-made, they're the highest quality, they're the gold standard in mechanical switches.
You know, Cherry mechanical keys have great durability, they have great rigidity, and most importantly, they have the best consistency of all the mechanical switches available.
Cherry switches are guaranteed to 50 million key presses, meaning the first key press will feel the same as at least the 50 millionth key press.
They really want to make sure that when they sell us the switch, it's gone through as much QA as possible to live up to our expectations.
Cherry's reputation is so good because of the amount of testing they put into developing the product. They do temperature testing, they also do a mechanical durability testing where they have this rig that basically, taps the key so many millions of times to guarantee their target of minimum 50 million keystrokes.
Look, everybody has a different play style, so no matter what preference you have, we have a solution for you.